Do you want to work as a teacher in a public school in Canada? But certification, education, documents, transcripts, evaluations, and all those beautiful forms make you ask yourself, is this game even worth the candle? My name is Max and I'm a BC certified teacher. And this is part 2 of my video about teacher salaries in Canada. In part 1, I explained that a teacher's salary usually depends on two main things, steps and categories. Well, very simply, steps are usually connected to your recognized teaching experience. Categories are connected to your education and qualifications. So if the salary grid were a video game, your step is your experience level and your category is your education power-up. Today, I will use school district number 23, Central Okanagan in British Columbia, as an example. In BC, teacher categories are assigned by TQS, which stands for Teacher Qualification Service. In other provinces, the name can be different. For example, Ontario has QACO, Alberta also has TQS, Manitoba uses salary classification, and Saskatchewan has teacher classification. Now, let's talk about the main BC categories, 4, 5, 5+, and 6. Category 4 usually means around 4 years of acceptable teacher education or academic and professional preparation. It's like entering the game with the basic teacher starter pack. In SD23, Category 4 starts at about $63,000 a year and goes to about $93,000 a year. Category 5 usually means 5 or more years of acceptable academic and professional studies. So now your teacher backpack has more books, more transcripts, and probably more coffee. In SD23, Category 5 starts at about $68,000 a year and goes up to about $106,000 a year. Category 5+ usually means 2 or more acceptable programs, totaling 6 or more years of studies. This is where TQS looks at your documents and says, okay, you have suffered academically enough. Here is a higher category. In SD23, Category 5+ starts at about $73,000 a year and goes to about $113,000 a year. Category 6 usually means 6 or more years of acceptable studies, and it includes an acceptable graduate degree. In normal human language, usually this is where a master's degree or another acceptable graduate degree can really matter. In SD23, Category 6 starts at about $75,000 a year and goes up to about $116,000 a year. But here is the important part. Having a master's degree does not automatically mean Category 6. TQS still has to evaluate your exact program, transcripts, credits, and documents. So the painful truth is this: in Canada, your category is not based on how tired you are. If it were, every teacher would be a millionaire by Friday afternoon. Your salary is based on your recognized experience, your qualification category, and the salary grid in your school district. In the next part, I can explain how foreign degrees and international teaching experience may be evaluated. Class dismissed. May your coffee be strong and your category be high.